I did originally plan on making this more of a vlog style video, however it was just taking me too long and I'm a bit of a rambler, so I thought I would just include a voiceover over my kitchen declutter. Now if you're new around here, I'm Tony and I'm in the process of decluttering my kitchen ready for a house move. Now you don't have to be moving house to clean along with me, but this morning, as you can see, it was a very early start for me. I started at 6:30 and I pulled everything out of all the kitchen cupboards. That is the drawer of doom where everything is just upside down. I decided to pull everything out onto the worktop, but I was a little bit noisy and Lee was still in bed, so I decided to wait until it was a little bit more of a reasonable hour, so around 8:30, and then I cracked on with it. I cleaned inside all of the cupboards and the drawers too with a little bit of method cleaner, as you're going to see now, but I decided to dedicate a good 45 minutes to this drawer sorting it out because it's the junk drawer, and I think every single house has a junk drawer and we all take advantage of it and throw all kinds in there, but I just took this time to give it a really good sort out and I felt so much better when I took everything out, cleaned it and just put back in there what I needed. I sorted all those receipts out as well because nobody needs that many mailing receipts. I think January is the perfect time to have a real deep clean of all of your kitchen cupboards and pulling everything out and seeing what you used last year and what you didn't use, and anything that you don't use you can throw it away if it's broken or it's not going to be of use to anybody, or you can donate it. And that's exactly what I did. I had 3 piles. I had a pile that was packed away that I wasn't going to use but I was going to keep for the house move. I had a pile of stuff that was being donated to a local charity shop, and then I had a bag of rubbish for things like chipped plates and anything that was broken. Like I had a salt and pepper cellar that no longer had the little stoppers in the bottom, so I threw those away. And I basically just had a real deep clean of the kitchen. Everything that you can see me packing away here are items that are no longer going to be used in our house, and they may as well be packed away ready for the house move.
I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive and coast.
I've actually started getting all the stuff out for when we exchange contracts and complete. So I've found extra crystals for this chandelier, so I've got those. I've got our extractor instructions, our hob, the dishwasher. I've got our kitchen plans. That's the fridge freezer. I've got all the instructions for everything basically. I've even got the cooker, the double oven, our fire, and those over there are CCTV on our home. There's literally everything. I'm getting everything into piles. And then we have this. This is the Royal Albert bone china. It's the Valdor range. When my granddad passed away, he left a very similar set for my sister, and I've been purchasing pieces as and when I see them. And this is my collection up to now. I've got 5 dinner plates and 6 side plates, so I need to get 1 more dinner plate, plus I've got a few other bits, but I've got other little parts up in the loft as well, and I absolutely love it. They're quite hard to come by, but I love anything like this, and I kind of feel like I've got a little bit of my granddad, I suppose, in owning a set like this. As long as I get this there in one piece, I'll be very happy. Don't even know whether it's going to show up, but I've cleaned this little spot here, so You can actually see it maybe if I do this. Oh God, look how clean that is there in comparison to this. It's just very dirty. And then the rim, it's not even dirty, it's just dusty. And got a couple of cobwebs here. And then I've cleaned that spot. Look at that. That is smooth. And then that is dirty. Now it does usually hang here on this hook. I'm going to clean the hook as well because as you can see, that has got like maybe greasy. I don't know, but it needs cleaning anyway. But I'm going to start with the clock because this is so bad. The smell of your hair. In fact, I'm cleaning it. I think we better check that it still ticks. Right, I've got a fresh battery. Pop it in. It's definitely ticking, isn't it? Now let's clean the clock. Right. Good old barkeeper's friend. Here in my bed, never gonna be alone. 'Cause with you, I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. Then the clock, I'd say it cleaned up pretty well, apart from here. This isn't going to come off, and if you know anything that will bring this up to like a nice shiny silver, then please let me know. But we currently have a clock that tells the right time and is now nice and clean. So let's hang it back up. Oh, there we are. I am just a trace.